How to reduce heating on Android. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you notice that your phone heats up way too faster and way too much, what you're gonna do is, first of all, go to settings. After you do that, scroll to the bottom of the page and go to about device. Now over here, if you scroll a bit down, you can see the option version. Tap on it, then the version number which is over here, spam on it. After you do that, you will be a developer. Then go to search and search for developer option. Now from here, scroll a bit down, then over here you can see an option that says running services. Simply click on it, then it'll take you to this sort of page where you can see all the devices that are being used on your background. Now simply open one, click on stop. After you do that, your phone won't be overheated way too much. You'll also see the results very soon. So this is how you can reduce heating on your Android device. Thanks for watching till the end of the video. Hope this video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.